Welcome everyone. That's where we got to so far. That's got us through page 29. The mechanics are all working, and I think actually that's going to be all of the actual mechanics. Looking at that gets us from the bottom to the top, which is what really all the machines really used for. I do sort of like the, I guess, arc of gears here that sort of works together. This one is, I think, barring the track part over here being super complicated, this is absolutely going to be the easiest of the UGEARS sets. Of the four that I've done, this one was by far and away the simplest as far as getting this far. With that being said, it's time to jump in and do some pulling and building and all that good stuff. So, got a few on. On 3. Let's see, on 3. Oh, no, that's 2. That's not 3. I must have been out of order. Yeah, 3's underneath 4. Okay. 3, I need this one. That's not on there. Okay. This one. This one. And then over to the other part of 3. This one we need you. And you. You. Oop. And this one. There go. And then this one. Yeah, just one of these. Okay. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. That should be all the pieces we need for this step. Or this. Oh, wait a second. No. Jump the gun again. I got a few pieces off of 4 to get to. So. This one. And these guys. And now that's all of them I need for this page. So, through my thrilling sanding part that I always forget to talk through, so I'll try and babble for a minute. And it's not going to work out. I know it. I'm going to run out of things to say probably about right now. I hope y'all listen to this with the sound off so you just don't have to hear me not talk. Yep, there I went. It took me that long to realize I wasn't talking. And I can only talk about not talking for so long. Okay. Now, let's see, get to use a counterweight, so I'm going to use a red one. Let's see here. First step. there. Okay. And this thing, what's it? Oh, wait a second. I am supposed to have, no, one of them. Okay. Then this one. Okay, looks like the shorter tab goes on that end. I'll actually pay attention to my instructions here this time. And then the little dot on this one is supposed to be on the same side as that dot there. So, yeah, let me get my... Got a little splinter going on here. I'm gonna get rid of that before I get in. Now I take the little one. I'm assuming this goes all the way on. Okay. Lubrication station out in play now. Need on both of these. Load it up good with wax. And cat hair. Alright. Get a good... Yeah, I think I got all the way around good there. Keep you in there for a minute. Now, like this, we take the one with the tab there. This guy. Nope. No. No. This guy. Yeah. Okay, and this goes... Whoop. Okay, I think I'm gonna... Okay. There. And then this guy comes in on the other side. To there. Oh, yeah, that's... Yeah. Almost pulled too hard on that. I forgot I had a brake on it, so I was about to try and force it. Get the wax worked in good there. So now we got that part is completed. And we take both of these guys. Together, go take this one in and there. Alright. Now, okay, get our structure back here. And this guy goes up. No, like that. Is that right on the... Yep, that's how it's... Okay, just double checking my... This goes... These tabs here go into these there. Hopefully. Okay, let's go up from the... Oh. Yeah, go up from the bottom on this and... Okay. 2 more. Okay. And this side, that side's good. Oh. That's not much travel there, but it works on the other side, so I'm not going to complain. Now, down the side again and pull some more parts off of number 4. Oh, that concludes page 30. Got to remember to notate that. Now I do this one. This one. And yeah, that's all we need for page 31. Okay. Now, this one, like so. Okay, yeah, this is that switch thing that goes in here. Is it? No, is it? This way, yeah. Yeah, because that'll give a full 90 degrees, yeah. No, you. No, gotta be. Yeah, it's back there. Yeah. It's gonna go on the bottom. You go. Okay, this is messing with my mind. Okay, no, it goes up here on top of it. Okay, that's... Okay, so this goes here and it's going to swing. Okay, yeah, I see. Okay, that's... Okay. Alright, so... Now this, I'm pretty sure when they connect them, that's what you'll swing out to connect them with. And then otherwise, then it conceals itself sort of on that frame. All right, cool. Now we take you, and like so, here into this slot there. Like this, supposedly. Okay. That'll probably, yeah, and that'll actually be a brick to hold it in place, storage it in place. Slides into its little notch there and holds it down. Good deal, good deal. Okay, and that's page 31. On to 32. And then from 3, need these 2. And these 2. And that completes the interior part of the sheet 3. Amazon's telling me I got some Prime Video features I'm not using. You and you. And that, believe, concludes sheet 3. I can put them all away now. And now on sheet 4, this one. This one. That one. And these two. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Excellent. Okay. 15, 16 minutes or so there. Back to the silence of sanding. And those are, I get the sandpaper out for that one too. Those two. Okay, and one more. All right. Let's see here. What are we building here? You like so. These guys going down to the inside. Oh. Okay. This one. No wax on that? It says no wax, or didn't. No. All right, I'll give them a bit. I'll give them. They seem to know what they're doing, better than me anyway. Okay. Yeah, that moves around pretty good. I don't think it needs the wax. Okay. Let's see. This one. Oh, yeah. Flip it over. This goes on. Nope, other way. Like that. And the wax does go on this one, it says. Now we put this guy on there. And one of these on there to seal it on. Okay, moving pretty freely, digging it. Now, the other end, wax on here as well. Goes through the little guy. Okay, Nice. So now this, yeah, got clearance and it rolls. Now we take. Oh, and this guy goes on here. Missed that one, and still got clearance and everything going good. Oh yeah, that's a. All right. Now this guy, like that. Yep, okay. That concludes page 32. We get to put some more onto our doodad. Where do you go? Okay. So, this one. Okay. Let's see. This. Like this goes under here. Oh. This slot right there, and then it's going to rest, lock in there. Okay. I hope. Yeah, that looks right. Just on the inside. Yep. A little bit of a kerfuffle to get this in there. Yep, okay. Good. There it went. Now you and going down. There we go. Yep, there. Well into place right there. And this out of the way. Oh. Let's see here. Oh, and it's doing it. And of course now I've seen the where it says don't push down on that thing after the fact. Just want to get it in the front slot. Oh, let's see if I can wiggle and a jiggle. It's not wiggling and jiggling, so I'm gonna let that sit for a minute. I'll fix it after the fact. And that concludes 33. On to 34. Was I not supposed to put this somewhere? No, I guess not. We're just hanging on to this for a minute. Okay. Okay. Who to do. Okay. Yeah, let's pull off. Hey everyone, me from the future here. That's why there's some extra stuff already on there. But I went back and looked at the directions, and this piece was actually supposed to have already been put on here. If I can get it to line up, it should pop right on. Nope, I didn't. Pushing on the wrong part. Okay, down there maybe. Good. Okay, there it went. And like I said, that's our lift from down there to bring it up here. And now I will, and like I said, a quick demo of it there. That's where it's going to end up, and it'll pop the marble up to where it needs to go. But anyways, like I said, I just missed that when I was doing it the other day and saw it. I realized I hadn't actually uploaded this video yet, so I figured I'd go ahead and fix it now rather than later. Okay, now back to the past for me. Looks like it's going to be a lot, but I don't think it's going to be. Not on this one. And another curve. Okay. Now, just for these things, I'm going to bring out the big, a little more. Easier to hit on the larger surface here. All right, these guys like that, going up. There. That's done. Take our curvy guys. Yep. Here. And here. With the round bits going up. These guys over here, and here. Okay. These guys down here. Here. Okay. And this guy right there. And that's... Oh, wait a second. Yep, that is supposed to be the taller side over here. There's more space on... Yeah, that's... They've got a picture telling you to make sure this orientation's right. Okay. And then... Well, that was quick. I still hadn't figured out... Okay, it's coming. It's on the next page. I was trying to figure out what's this thing. Oh. Okay, so... This one... So, this tab goes here. And... this slot goes here. And then this tab here. Yeah. So, underneath here, I hope. Yep. You. And you. Well, that was easy. And everything's in good. That's sort of where the gatherer is going to be, and then there's going to be some mechanism that rolls this up here, I bet. Yeah. Oh, that's going to be an extensive flop. Oh, that's going to. I'm looking forward to seeing that. All right. But that's a good place to stop. Got their platform. Looks like we're going to start at the bottom and build our way up with all the other tracks. Although Trying to see. There aren't that many other tracks. Okay, so there are going to be extra options up here too. Okay, so some going here, but the other. Okay, I see what they're doing. But anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.